legend, your trophy is here. Yes, beautiful. The African Film Festival Award ceremony is set. I'm waiting for the legend himself, Sir Koffi Olomide, African legend.
We are very happy to have an African icon in our midst. We are standing here with a man that has influenced a lot of stories in Africa. One of the very pioneers of musical videos. The man that many babies have been born with his music. He loves people. He has a good heart. That's why we wanted to honor him. He's been entertaining people for a long time. So this time, I asked him to just come, let's honor him. So his coming here was very short notice, but because of his greatness, he doesn't need much advertising. And all of you good people are here to honor him. And we are here in the most prestigious university in Texas. And I would like my brother and Franco from Cameroon to join. And our sister here.
Et ma sœur ici présente.
To present this legendary award to the legend himself.
Yes.
Bob Marley used to say that his guitar strings are his Kalashnikov to fight for peace and freedom. Koffi's music has brought peace all across Africa. So Koffi is the peace ambassador, the Kalashnikov that we need in Africa for Africa to grow. On behalf of the African Film Festival, on behalf of all Africans in the continent and Africans in the diaspora, on behalf of the mayor of Dallas, I present this trophy to no other than Africa's finest.
May I speak in French?
Yes.
I know many Nigerians tonight, including my friend, my brother, Kelesh. And these came from Cameroon. My English is perhaps better than the French.
That's right.
I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm touched. I'm happy to have been in Dallas to meet you. And I'm so proud and dedicated to all my fans everywhere in the world. Thank you. Thank you, Soleil. Thank you, Kelesh. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. God bless you. And peace for love Africa. Long forever.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Then you can say